Welcome back to Audit the Law. Today's video was submitted by the channel Real Fly Guy. Be sure to go subscribe to his channel and show him your support. Elijah is a Marine serving his country. In this video, he's pulled over for allegedly swerving. These cops trailed him for seconds before pulling him over. They then ask him questions to try and get him to produce a confession, as if they're under the impression that he's intoxicated. And he's not having it one bit. We're seeing videos surface every day where cops are wasting the people's time when it's clear they didn't commit any crimes, and this video is another example of that. Check out this interaction and let me know your thoughts below in the comment section.
I was not driving on the shoulder of the road.
Okay.
All right.
Do you have your driver's
So-
license handy?
Okay. So what are you pulling me over again for, sir? Can you repeat that?
Do you have your driver's license?
Can you repeat that? And what's your name and badge number? I'm sorry.
You were driving on the shoulder of the road. You were over the fog line.
And what is your name and badge number, sir?
Trooper German.
Trooper German badge number?
Just follow his instructions.
I'm asking for your badge number because you're here too, sir.
Look, failure to identify yourself, you'll be removed from the
I'm
vehicle,
not
placed
failing
under
to
arrest.
identify myself.
You
I'm
are.
just asking,
He asked you for your identification.
and I'm asking
He
for
asked
your badge
identification.
number. I'm asking for your badge number.
It's 13896.
And what's your name again?
I'm Trooper Howell.
All right. What's your badge number and your name?
Follow his directions, please.
You guys are both in this traffic stop, sir.
Okay.
You guys are
I
both.
need your driver's license, sir. Like you said, we're gonna have to remove you from the vehicle to identify.
He's not identifying
I
himself.
identified
He did.
myself.
He didn't say his badge number. That's
Trooper
his
German.
his badge number, sir.
I need your license.
What is his badge
You don't
number?
know it.
You don't know it. He's right here. I'm asking.
badge number?
Look, I'm literally asking him, okay,
I need
for his
your-
badge
I need
number.
your driver's
I'm
license.
all right. So this is between me and you,
I
right?
need your driver's
Is
license.
this between me and you?
Yes.
Because he's not in. All right. So he's not involved, correct?
Right.
All right. So if he's not involved, your name again and what is your badge
I
number
already
one
told
more
you.
time,
I already
sir?
told you.
I do not
It's on
care.
the
This
recording.
is for my recording. Like I said, I've been
need
through
your
too much.
driver's license.
I've been through too much, sir, and I am not going through
You
this
need to
again.
identify yourself, okay?
And I'm not
Traffic stop.
refusing, and I'm just making sure this is
Well,
between
then
you and I.
Identify yourself.
Okay.
What your name is.
And what is this traffic stop for?
I've already explained to you multiple times.
You said-
what we're doing. So I need your license or some form of identification, okay? You're required
Why?
to
Why?
identify yourself on a traffic stop.
What is the traffic stop for? What am I
I've already
doing?
explained you were for failing to maintain your lane multiple times.
And you have that on
Okay.
recording.
Yes, it is video recording.
I don't,
from
but
the
I'm
vehicle.
telling you right now, I was driving in a straight lane. The person in front of me is the one that was swerving, and I seen that. And
There's nobody in front of you
listen.
on
There
this roadway.
listen.
Sir, I'm not playing this game.
I'm
if you're
not-
going to identify yourself, we're going to remove you from the vehicle forcefully, okay?
Sir, I'm
Sir,
not.
This is not. This is going to get escalated.
All right,
We're
good to
not
go,
trying
good to go,
do
good to
that.
go, sir, good to go. I'm just letting you know that this is wrong because I was not
We're
doing
trying
that.
to escalate this situation.
Okay,
Something
good to
that
go.
doesn't need to
Good
be.
to go. Well, you're
You
making
just
it
need your
that
driver's
your
license,
partner
okay?
made it that way by not identifying
No.
himself because that was the professional manner for him to do.
Okay.
And he did not do
We'll
that.
take care
So
of
I'm
that
just
later.
letting you know that, sir. You understand?
We'll take care
Do
of
you
that
understand
later.
that?
Yes, I understand.
No, but you don't
Thank
understand
sir.
because you guys are trying to violate my
your
rights.
license.
You guys are trying to violate my rights, and I'm not going to allow you to. I'm just letting you know. I have my identification,
Right, I'd like
and
to
this
see
is my
that.
identification. I am visibly showing you it right here, and you can take the information down as you please. You are not taking my identification from me. You understand? So take my identification information and do what you have to do, sir.
Okay, I'm going to take a picture.
All right, good to go. Thank you.
This man refuses to hand his ID to the police and makes them take a picture of it instead. We all know cops lie on the job, and we know they profile certain individuals, but these cops did articulate that this man was swerving. They then threatened to pull him out of the vehicle if he didn't present his identification. Pennsylvania versus Mims allows them to do this under the guise of officer safety. And if this had gone to court and the judge seen that the officer did articulate that the driver was swerving, even if the officer was lying, the judge would ultimately side with the officer unless the driver had definitive evidence to prove otherwise. Nevertheless, the time to debate this isn't on the side of the road, because cops will use Pennsylvania versus Mims to get their way.
Okay, so what's your first name there?
You can read the ID,
Elijah?
sir. You can read the
Is that
ID, sir.
correct? Elijah?
You can read the ID, sir.
Okay, where are you headed tonight, Elijah?
Sir, I'm trying to figure out what the problem is.
Where are you headed tonight?
I'm trying to figure out what the problem is.
Why are you so combative? with
Look,
this,
I've been
okay?
through too much, and I have a lot going on in my life. Good to go. Do you understand?
I understand.
So I don't need this right now, is what I'm trying to say. So I don't need you to start no problems. What the hell is the traffic stop for, sir?
So I came up here just trying to have a civil
No, you did not. No, you did not. Do not play that.
Okay, any alcohol this evening?
No, sir, I do not drink alcohol. I do not drink alcohol at all.
Are there any firearms in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Are
So,
there any illegal substances inside the
no,
vehicle?
sir. So,
Why
what
are
is
you
the...
sweating?
Look, you are making me nervous, and I do not like the
What
situation.
make you nervous?
Like I said, you said that you came up on a peaceful manner, and you have not. Your partner over here, failure to identify himself, so I did not do it at first. Before, you said this was between you and I, okay? So if it's between me, you and I, I'm talking to you now. So what is the problem? What is the problem? Here's my ID,
I'm
sir.
just trying to figure out what the hell is going on.
And I'm trying to figure out why I am not free to go. Because I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing
It's
wrong.
the middle of winter and you're sweating.
Sir, that does not matter. I did not do nothing wrong, and I am...
Are you in the Marines? Were you in the Marines?
Listen,
at one point?
if you know what I do, then that's fine. But I'm not here to answer any other questions. Good to go?
Okay. Well, I'm just trying to figure out why you were driving over the white fog line.
I'm trying to let you know that I was not, and
You were.
I'm letting you know that I was not. Good to go.
What's in the plastic baggie?
What plastic baggie? There's not no plastic baggie in here.
Cellophane, it's under your heel.
I don't see anything. And there's not anything involved in this vehicle, so there's nothing wrong. There ain't nothing illegal in here. You can continue to look, sir. I got a book right here. I got papers.
Would you let me
Look, you're looking from where you're at right now. I don't want you to come in my vehicle at all.
What's in the
No.
plastic baggie under
There
your
ain't nothing under there. There ain't nothing nowhere and around here, sir. So I need you to just continue to do what you were doing tonight and go about your night, because I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not violating any laws. And I have a license, so take my information. Do what you have to do, sir. I'm trying to go about my way. I'm trying to mind my business. I'm trying to mind my business.
Yeah, I have a picture of it here. Do you want to go back and run it?
Because you guys are really, you're making...
Why'd you just move that to under your seat?
Because you guys are trying to make something out of nothing, and I'm not having it.
Then just show me
I'm not having nothing. I'm not going to show you nothing. I showed you my ID. I showed you my ID. Good to go. I'm trying to be about my way. It's late. I'm trying to go. It's getting late.
If it's nothing, just
It's getting late. I'm trying to go. You're harassing me, sir. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. There's nothing illegal in here. I'm not having it.
You can put your
I am trying to go. Look, this is my ID. This is what you need, right?
If you're listening to me, I just told you. Put
Look,
your license
I
away.
told you what I am trying to do. I am trying to go about my way.
Show it to me now. I
I'm-
don't want to put it away.
Look, if that's all you need to see, then that's good to go.
I already took a
All right,
picture
good to
of it.
go. Well, all right, so am I good to go or what?
We can't even have a conversation.
I don't want to talk to you. I don't know why I'm here. I'm trying to go. All right? That is why. So, yeah, I'm recording too. I'm trying to be about my way. I'm not doing nothing illegal. Let me go about my way, sir.
The bag.
Let me go about my way, sir.
He's valid.
Let me go about my way, sir. And for the record, repeat your name and badge number for this transaction, sir. Because you're wasting my damn time. And my time is money, you understand?
I've already told you that.
All right,
Are you
so
watching?
no, I need you to repeat it because
No, I'm
you're
not gonna repeat
okay.
it.
All right, you're right. You don't have to do that. It's on recording.
Right. Yep. You can go back and watch it however many times.
I
you want.
will.
My name
I
is
will,
Adam.
and I'll have my lawyer review it too because he's gonna contact you guys. All right.
What's your lawyer's name?
You don't need to know that information. I'm trying to get about my way, and he will contact you, sir.
Okay.
All right, you got your inches. All right,
Okay.
copy that.
All right.
Are you good to go?
He's valid. No warrants or anything like that.
You good to go?
All right.
I appreciate you.
Good night.
Thank you for harassing me and wasting my time and your little friends. You guys can get out of here. I appreciate it. Thank you, gentlemen. Have a good night. Have a good night. I don't want to talk. I don't know what the issue is. Why are you confused, sir? I don't understand why you're confused, why you're harassing me, wasting my time. I clearly don't want to be here. So you should just let me go about my way. You should just let me go about my way. I'm almost to my destination. I'm almost to my destination. You can.
You were the one that escalated.
I'm almost to my destination. You can let me go.
Nobody came up here.
You can let me go about my way. I'm almost to my destination.
Okay.
And you do not have to have this fucking light in my eyes like this. I am.
You were the one that escalated the whole thing, okay? Nobody came up here and screamed at you, accused you of any crimes or anything like that.
Oh, you didn't? Okay, I'm going to replay that back from my lawyer, and he's going to contact you to let you know what you did because I have it on recording, and I know what you did already, my friend.
That's why we're still here, okay? We could have been gone 10 minutes ago.
Good to go.
Right? But you had to escalate the situation to
Good to go.
where we're at now. So that's why we're still standing here.
All right, thank you, gentlemen.
At
Thank you, gentlemen.
okay?
Thank you, gentlemen. Appreciate it.
All right. Well, just try to drive better, okay?
Have a good night.
So you won't get stopped.
Have a good night.
In conclusion, the driver was free to go and he let his officers have it. I've cropped some comments from the original post and I want to discuss them a bit. Some people disliked how this man handled this interaction, and although I don't agree or disagree with these comments, I want to touch on them. First off, the way this man handled this interaction concluded with the officers leaving him alone and not giving him a ticket. Sometimes, people tend to get nervous and have their backs against the wall. Sometimes cops don't realize the terror they have caused some people. Think of it like you would your dog at home. Sometimes when your dog senses danger or has their backs against the wall, they tend to bark and show their teeth. The freedom of speech not only allows but protects this conversation, and our feelings do not infringe on that. And that freedom is what people stand for, or in this driver's case, even put their life on the line to serve for. To a real fly guy, I'd say, keep exercising your rights and stay safe. Those two things go hand in hand. And always film your interactions with cops, to provide accountability and transparency to these interactions. Be sure to go over and subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching Audit the Law.